over to you now.
Thank you, Morris. Again, congratulations to all our winners. Job well done. Job well done.
Kunin, Crystal!
So before we announce the top 3 grand prizes,
Wala na,
we'd like to
pinagkalat-kalat
call on
kami.
stage FSAS
Ay, picturean namin
for
kayo!
their induction.
Picturean muna namin kayo dyan. Dyan muna kayo. No, later!
So we'd like to call on stage the members of FSAS for the induction to be administered by Morris Flores.
1, 2, 3. Congratulations, Basas!
Yep, please come up.